Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Ethereum from Gemini to Binance in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, stay cautious to avoid any mishaps. Whether you're diversifying your investments or just switching platforms, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an active account on both Gemini and Binance, with some Ethereum sitting in your Gemini wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both exchanges for added security. It's 2025, and cyber threats are only getting smarter. Let's dive into the steps. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Accounts section and select your Ethereum balance. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually easy to find. Here, you'll need to enter your Binance wallet address. Pro tip: copy this address directly from Binance to avoid any typos, which could send your ETH into the void. Next, specify the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Gemini might ask you to confirm network details, like using the Ethereum network, ERC20. Review the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025, so choose a time when fees are low if possible. Hit Confirm, and wait for the withdrawal to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Now, switch over to Binance. Go to the Deposit section, select Ethereum, and paste in your deposit address if needed. Wait, actually, since you're receiving from Gemini, just monitor your Binance wallet. Once the transfer confirms on the blockchain, your ETH should appear in your Binance account. A couple of quick tips. Always use the correct network to prevent failed transactions, and keep an eye on any regulatory changes in 2025 that might affect transfers between exchanges. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it, your Ethereum is now safely transferred. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.